Hey Z-Fam, so as you can probably tell, it's raining, and it is raining a decent amount. It is really nice out, and what I like about the rain is look for the little path there. Look how the lights are reflected off of the path. And I said it once, I'll say it again, I love the rain. So you guys know this, I'm from Seattle and it rains a whole lot there. Not like this, it's more of a drizzle, but it still rains, it's more of a persistent drizzle. But yeah, what I like about the rain here is, it's nice, and, it's supposed to rain like this for, I don't know, I think it's, last time I checked the weather, it was like the whole day or something, so, hey, I'm happy about that. I am totally okay with that. I like to listen to the rain when I'm inside my flat with the window open and take a look at more of those reflections there. And another one of my favorite things is there's roofs here like made of metal. So if I go and stand under them, that is the sound of rain on a metal roof, and I love it. I'm just gonna stay quiet for a moment. That is awesome. So yeah, I'm just enjoying walking in the rain. I'm gonna be enjoying this a whole lot more. So, until next time, hold my umbrella. How am I gonna do this? Yeah, that's fine. Until next time, this is Zach out.